Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mancho murigeria w'Ensoko TV, karibu sana naenda sense meiga ya kabere yemesa yama yakuru Ensoko chinsa isato ase jumaine iga turachie kumurikere nkwana ya beno butuko bwarero kurigereria na ria yagendreta sense moyo burai wage siasa turigereria mangana ya magendro kurwa sorgongo rwagusi keroto goche gosanga amangi nabo ikero rwagongo rwagusi ruregati ye chinsemo asense ya Kenya chichiganete kwiroberia boikira no kwene kya unanchi chigwikirania hobo chorio bonne bori bose bumwaka bwechiri bubere 25 na ibere buna nachiga ukomanya abageni bane babere banyare ko baba gwikirana ase studio umwishimiwa Thomas Obare kurwase award eri ya basi boitangare egotoka sense mo bunge ya basi county ya Kisii na boigo omwishimiwa Anton Nkundi kurwase award eri ya Gesusu egotoka sense mo bunge ya Nyaribari Masabe county ya Kisii tochiko sanga obotuko bware nyora nabo gosanga na into gotomari bori ryago bose ko bwatia enkwaniga ya beno gwetera se mitandao yaito ye kerero Facebook na YouTube buna Ensoko TV ase turache ko batogosanga nabageni baito botuko bware karibu sana bashimiwa. Thank you. Kakira chire tutaromera na korenda sentunde ntanga mkege mano morega Ensoko TV. Tigato chake nayo mwishimiwa Anton nabo kwanye mugusino mwanchu murigeria umusoberi ngakibwere tutaraso ase nkwana ito botwara.
Thank you. Camera nereri. Asante. Bemono mwanya getinge andonsi ase motegerete gose murigereti TV ya Ensoko. Samalita ngoro kwa Antonio Nkundi kirage ndo mu MCA we wodi ya Gesusu. Ere me Nyaribari Masaba aliera mani no seito na inde na abaliganiria se Ensoko TV to sanga mase enkwana ya siasa amono borai wagusi. Thank you.
Karibu sana Mheshimiwa Thomas na nabako kwani wagusi.
Mbiamono sana Clinton ngireri bagene nchenkwa ni mugusi nchengoro Thomas Obare inde mo MCA obasi boitangare obasi boitangare ere nsemo ya obasi igare na chora to independent and I've tried to be independent as it were. Mbiamono ntakete kukaribisha bagusi bonsi ase Ensoko TV tukwanere siasa ito ya gusi.
Karibu sana tutaraso ase nkwana ya siasa mbiyamba eri bagana ino buna barai munyara ko bamukobeka nkwana ina ase kyaberege ko gendra sumu igoyiga twatware mbasokane menge ase chipara hasa bananchi babere bagusiria amagimabo ekeromo gutome ngora na gutome ujumbe ino abananchi banyara ko bakurenda chinga kichiga nkige kwene kiwa bunango ikabada ase chisabari chiri bawe kono meto moyo wesu kuna ya bananchi bagutara sana to chake na Mheshimiwa Anton
Bemono yo meto Clinton twaene kiri mibasokane menge ase wiki litangani na botambe tima etiko sene desturi erebo igo ya Yesu guko ngaki ya December ngonyara tore mibasokane menge para na sengencho ya ekaeke nyinge abantu kwenda gusi abantu chinsobo mbaro bakwenda buluya bokamba boikoyo anene mono chigari ni chinyinge chire para wono rende ogosaba kwane nkolinga chintera bacheito chibe very careful itangani na abantu bali netegari nanye bono kero kende achali nere gotoka para mondo kango monto sogete mambi gari ne abo gose yanyora accident kero kende mbiya kumanya bamino ngari kikwalina number plate nereri sangabi yasoka onyene basi kwalina gose ni Nissan so that abantu banya ko monitor na kiwe gaimo ikire namba ibere no nchisi chetu chokoboko chi mobile phone nchiwende chiaba on at least wa charge utara travel wa charge so that abamino bali bakonya kufuatilia ngaiko ikire banya komanya ngambu yoli gose tulibia chinteraba chito ango chisabanga chi make sure nga maitena bakorundia bananchi aba gose abiria tigaba babe soba 24/7 because mbaro konyora monta akorundi gari kuchigusi mugaso potuko na indo iranire aseli tukora jora ko na trip ibere gusina kuirana potuko bado na hata gete kuirana korosi chibesa babe very careful chibesa ni chiabutambe nonye bono nonye rende chiachire December abantu ko menyoka aiga na aria ba make sure nga barigireri obugima bwo mwananchi naende ba rendira sengencho ajali chibuna chia soiriga ndoche ng'a tutachieti kurigirira mono aba ngosiri tora magima mange na inde tika tusabe Nyasaye tukonye atuepushe na hizi maajali mingi.
Thank you. Briefly na mheshimiwa tutaraso ase nimetaba nchi bakanyirite sana torere nkwana ito ingana yako ne riego chase ne biriya ganda
kasi mwana Clinton mheshimiwa ngundi maita gwata mangana mangi ta kusho brief ndo saba abantu baito baba careful during this festive season egento kende bali toko egento kelia kenywa so cha eliende tokeani where we on the road and to saba Nyasaye sana tolende chinga kicho moyega ememega tonyare wika January tuchakumwa kumoyen tole buya tikaba ntoso ase nkwana yaito umheshimiwa twabiro kurigeria ansemo yago yokoboria mitandao kwabere gukorera mikasana magendo na korete word yago umheshimiwa nkundi ere oirwa magendo baka yando kandre kitu chakira gwase gidina mange to gukwana umo director to kurase studio ya Kabere John Kebati atwekere chinkwana chumo governor na inga sensemo yebunge yago umheshimiwa nkundi asensemeria ya Mubamba akaene kyo muroberio bogo chingiro busibore agatabengo umheshimiwa susu era na yegwa magendra yanda otebire nga ati morareta ibyo to gocha to tebinga aki nago isaine
okay
kanyora nyagitari eyo tiyanya ko bakende abantu bechiro gabagansa babagande nga governor ga kitokonya inkagenda nkabeka chimilioni 10 kirose nyagitari omo MCA mokoyo kya ogesusu atenga rusi besecho ntuntu bwate governor yaito egocha gocheche kwagacha igonchi rusi ororo osenero bwende kubororo igo mu MC oli tigemi kori ebyo aye tigana gache nga onye contractor kegocha mbako mwanchira abantu bage ngosba contractor ngochere enyagitari olirasmebe
kereto kore na sestro mheshimiwa mbori na bere word ya ngone ngini county ya Kisii gotoka ribori litangani umugavana gonoro ryo nande ribori ya Kabere nkyo tutakereti nyagitari ebe kwase word ya
mbe mono Clinton ona asekira asengencho mate comedy because umugavana ito Paul Simbarati kera kwananga umu MC ogesoga kana nincho mu MC ogesu kero kendo mo mwananchi naro gose oyo bwanjite Ensoko TV no gose oyo rigirite Ensoko TV boniga abata amanyo mu MC ogesu yo kana maendero no ryo inchi nincho mu MC ogesu nabona ego sete no inchi ase na insurance because na rigiriti kerago kwana by surprise nganyoranga nincha arenga nambemo Governor Paul Simbarati iganga indreti mutu yabantu nga ngana kanire chimilioni 10 nganimbwa to mugavana kawocha gocha arose nyagitari umaito mwana inchi na era tali monto oli muliri because ekerena ali kubori chikura oyo Minto Clinton igona abori chikura nebirengeri ebimo byo kuleta magendro kose kerena atumire no mwana inchi manye kinatumu na kingoletera abantu ekerena ali kubori chikura na chete kemo kama nande na tete abantu baitu nga nyagitari ya bera enga kintambe komoranchore ni nyerosi igona abere ngoenda se governor konya komubuli gore nyagitari eri lakini tukatwara mukataba na no mugavana naki tikatoro sinya gitari ya Gesusu level 4 litangani ase ya bwatu muchalo toko kora tumanye gochenya gitari ya Kiamo kama health center abantu abange mbamanyiti Kiamo kama health center igere Gesusu ward Kiamo kama marketing ma igere Gesusu ward narora igunga Kiamo kama bugen Kiamo kama ward the entire market mona erego igere nsemo ya Gesusu no ere boundary goro lakini marketing ma ere Gesusu ono governor igai mogete litukiriria Jamhuri Day asenge nchabo timati igabo litege ntara tebya abantu igoro yane
obo my number mheshimiwa wangu akanete in any way emeroberi yebe rearranged kwanje buna yabangire
ya igali gabana iganga indria na ndenta gitego tebyo mwananchi ogesuna ki inche buno mu MCA timbo atinguru chinde chonsi chogo kana magendrando onsi asego ago chase wodiane namba ibere governor na amanyite bunyamono konya ni nchengo masoronga chibese chitigato chibeke chije chirose nyagitalia kyamukama iko ga imogete kungendere maiso marore asengencho sababu ne mai mogeta gakwana asengencho ya nambori timwere state house akabori aba MC abange mbaro twakanete ntutagiti kugenda umurengo uriondo state house because abantu baito mbare disappointed mono sana ne serikali ya William Ruto
ngoja tureka go mheshimiwa Anton tukwana kwento taracha so mheshimiwa Thomas na eraru nkwana yasa kuendora kwa magendraiga kirocha kirobo raibu ago mwaringa no bwa matubu ya no mugavana ngayembure ngaya tugutwira
no abuna ari gukweresa ko yo Minto Clinton tuwabere buyeno mugavana chitindara mangana mahange twatware mo specialist award ya nchi nonye kirege engane ego salika tuliko nya gwaka siasa tukwenda twateba ningora na kigavana engane ya salika na kitokora lakini yekere omunso matiangi oswa ekere matiangi tuachaga gotenga matiangi bono osokire na ntumu gusigo ikatumubwatesi abuno bokongo bwasoera azengenjo bono inche nambe abantu bali banjore na bante na ki ya bono guikato support matiangi na inche iko nacho tune chama ya UDA ba manyete inche bono no ndo monto kasongo na kasongo out of disappointments inche abantu banyore ngo nyagonte bana ki haya eligeri bya echoke ebange pimo borombo no borombo bale gonte bingo chimwina bono asito kuchigwetana na governor na nda tali gwetana siasa rende acha ya lero bono itabwati mupangilio ndebwensi na sengencho gona imoka ngateba ngamatiangi na baisa ko mu president na governor Simbarati tatagiti matiangi abe president na raro jinga Ruto na robwe bona bono e difference ya soerete.
Thank you so much. Gato suketo chase omwishimwa Thomas nere atumanyia sengencho Mheshimiwa Thomas personally na beri gingo tegera chinkwa na chiago na bego kubwatia sensemo yemitandao kwa beri gukwemurungania sana tari ensemo yechipara tari ensemo ya magendrando nsi county kwente wikiraniwa ningi kagerete wodi abasi boitangaro komana sana igana
Clinton tinda umana the only thing gokora no gukwaniranga ebintu mbiri betakire gokora bitarakoru ose biri byakoru mbira akoru in a proper way but I want to assist my brother Made Kerage is very diplomatic tari kwana bintu straight. We have a petty conman occupying the position of governor.
There is a hash word mheshimiwa.
A conman who believes in his own lies. Yani a conman ikungani liege ento yaka anga kero montaro muriri, he will buy into his conmanship. Quadri. That's the tragedy that happened to Kisii County. That we elected a person who does not even understand a position you govern. We also realize since Paul Simbarati was elected into governorship in Kisii County, the guy is all over. He doesn't sit in his office. Oboli Simba matukare nge karansi office ili ya county gali, tawe kana matuko 20. Korutuwa majority 2022. He is a man ole chigali buru. Ekoni manigete kwenye kumene tu abantu. Bintu bine yao tanga ngumo emisio kanile. Sijui bintu bite very petty. That does not fit mangana bina ita takeli ko kwanu no mugavana atukanya rango mugavana tina dango mwanisi ukani pesa kimo mwanisi na kimo mwanisi ranga ukani mugavana project, you know, that could imagine some of us can internalize these lies and see through the lie. That is the disrespect ya watu wetu mwananchi wa Kisii County. So mheshimiwa Ngundi Kerage ndaye toza kuondoka because ebintu bisimbawo kodra for me is done them since 2022. But which we tangale today pakomo no mogotu omanyerenga Paul Simbarati no monto kugainireri because wenda karawata yanga mo MC ukanirenga nganye to mugaba non, you know, na no monto moriri utechi school will understand no monto kugainireri yari. That is the problem we have for Kisii County.
Mheshimiwa tiga ndakuburi tiga senjo ase faida yo mwana inchi naro utamayitemero birenga keko na kibu ngo kwa allocate chi project yega ngo gukora public participation yega ase bunge county ya Kisii ngo watebanga priority ne yega ngorengi serikali ye county ba serikali ne ase go ikirone yo mugavana kora ne implementation imero bebe se nino aba MCA mokoroberi.
What happens and that is one thing we need to do civic education on. Ega si homo MC is very simple. Ega si ito no ko ensure for instance na geragata eba aka ensure nga gesusu Kiamu Kamamba Health Center yanyore 10 million. Now, after that money has been allocated in the budget, the person who is implementing umuntu kuhakikisha project ya koriru no mugavana, and Paul Simbarati is very good in that. Obu ori ngane gitacho bwo ko ruchu bwo cheito umuntu koreto umuntu kokore gitacho ekyo Paul Simbarati. I can tell you for free maybe tadibwo korubone ina rete tu mukamba nero gokora ngora tu mukambo Paul Simbarati. So kana ko yari gitacho ko rubube with the conmanship na gotebi omuntu mane goche gote ngana ki mo emisia ko rosike tachikebe na ande nero rete tu muntu. So you lie to our people, you steal from our people, and then you go back to the money you've stolen from them. Kwa bangaina ngamo emisia ko rete. You know, mpaka toche Clinton, we have to be very clear. Kisi county ne county yetu. We have to be very clear and we have to tell our people. Ega asio mo MCA neli, ega asio mo governor neli. If Kirage was given money, akalia, Paul Simbarati ngata yabare ngane crusade you go to adi Kurumi. He should have taken a step Kiragabu atu. But because nero mayete ngango ayete contract ye nyagitari you, nero mayete ngango ayete contract ye mache, nyagita ye para. You cannot mention it. But one day, I want you to invite us to Kwanero Kurumi Bore Kisii County. And it has reached a time where no, Sara Antonga, this person when I was telling no Kurumi Agwan, Nero Mukuru.
On that, Antonto Wakisha, whatever, I can go more direct on go chanda soro mushmanton. More direct on Nabakobeka Chibicha, Assemble, Ase in person, what issue with one of the contractors, a Wodiago. You go trace it to your words and the intelligence of Katavanga Rutukuru sense more Migoli somewhere in there. Don't you think contractor Chigocha? Echitari week and when Ratable say Echigocha with the interest you procure their work.
You know, Clinton, what is happening in the Kisii County? Simba, Ajata connected Monto Boba. None of the Gako Kerage, hearing another with Keragakuane. Keragas of late Keragas been very vocal, Ukwana. Into Bill County. After the town in Monto Buova, so the Tabantara correct. Nabatacora Sivacano. Can complain about the Paraya Buone? We have a contractor from Migori. Address your assembly. Yes, company. Yes, a address here 156 sooner. A car which Parachiabu and a Chospi. I had 14 roads. Chiparachi Chinichicodri, Chivakrimakarabati, Chinichicodri, Chivakrimara Misane. Some the road na in Kukuana that road has been paid a contractor etarakore parade. In fact, the parade according to Afri. Akaigora Katika with Naram. The night they posted, they following there at 6. A contract they know are on site. What does it tell you? Simbarati is the greatest enabler of corruption in Kisii County. And I can go to the company Clinton. You know you are my brother and you've become from Kisii County. We come from that county. Ekeroko Montoyomo orejete chikambani 17. Koma nakamwaji para chonsi picha Kisii County. What does it tell you? That this person is Simbarati. He is the one doing roads, but being a proxy. You know, when we do the analysis, now account analysis a contract has 17 companies. 4 of those companies, Chicos share a physical address, 156 sooner. 3, Chicos share a physical address, 122 sooner. Funny. But when you trace no Montoyom, what does that tell you? Corruption in Kisii County.
But then have you taken a step as a responsible leader? As a person who believes in accountability, we have written to the EACC. We have written to the EACC. We have attached evidence of those companies and the contact of that person. We hope that the EACC will be able to work around that case. But you know, when you corner a rat, that is what is happening for him in Kisii. He is trying to prevent his arrest because he knows even to be a controversy. Everybody controversy. Pon the army okay, Kazeruto. Acha got a 2 term, so that Mbaza go investigating Kiakod. Tikatocha soro mheshimiwa anaeke rogo add on something ekeonya magendo kaga. Let us say word ya go to Manyango. What was the main reason ngwata banga kerogo shifted the allegiance no imbura cha gete goto. To Manyango ngikiagerete muchiti wasayo in person to chiti state house was to come to mugava na negative MCA ba milo bali ba chete nsema state house.
we mono ye minto Clinton litanga ni tiga mentase mangano ye minto Thomas Obare mu MC witanga rakwana no manyita abantu baito baramanya babwate bumanyi mono igoro ye function yo mu MCA egasi yo mu MCA nereri ne mugabana nereri because into egasi hito no korosya machikari ase bunge no represent abantu baito ase ebunge hito amo noko kora egendo tokoro oversight that's why akonyora mugabana ekera gocha ekere to kobeka chibese budget for example na bekere chibese budget chikorose para na beka like 3 million chikorose para ekoreru grading na graveling para ebwenere pako mwananchi atebe para ya berebuya na inche kerengo korova site ane ngoli na ki 4 million china beke to 3 million chakorere mere mubuya omwananchi omonto gokora oko implement gashiye no mo governor amon executive team yae yere entenera maybe a department ya roads wana kero konyore para ya roads igu yabekirwa maram gose trabe ku makarabati kogo chikobolia kwamanya gotebunga ya contractor nere bwente ko gotebinga inki kyagera tabe kama makarabati gosa tabe kama mara masegete contractor nere ya gotena inji na etu amachikari boigo yatoka nanga omwana inchi ta komanyanga tali yae mu MC yokorosi parili and that's why umugabana takes advantage asenge njo mwana inchi tamanyeti ocho tenga pare ino mu MC yokoreteki no mu MC yosaleti tali inchi lakini kwanyoranga aenonye procurement process yonsi ayetomanyiti na kiekolire e contractor ego chali tonye manyiti aene gasho supervisor tina kigasi ne kodre kulingana na machikali yaro so ignorance ye maybe goso gutamanya omwananchi gutamanya nkikegenderete gose ni ngotenerete ke ngokoreke na kigakora bono into to kuchitwabo guri gumisigo eri etari yitu
tiga tukwenda bonengane ino yokogenda sensemo ya status ingi kiagerete ino muchitu gose reasons kimu abwate chi utagenda gokoba baminu na gokoba mugavana
byamono twabeire kuruto choru twakorre myaka 3 turochine nusu bono tutigareti yange mitinyi 18 tosoya siasa nchiko nacho tu ne chama ya UDA ekera nacho tu ne chama ya UDA twabwate bintu twa promise tia bana inchi amangana bottom up no enyorete onye kwa lengo enga kiyu onye kwa bwate siasa twa kwanta mangana mama mboga twakwana mangana economy mangana mange emyaka 3 years down the line abana inchi na bale konyora bambuna ki ibintu limu ari kote mama mboga trocha asitu isa asitu no turalia ne bintu bigendere to kokonga esukali yachire 200 kwarore uchumi abere nkom nonye school fees ngo igwa bono ya koriki capitation teyo bate wamente pesa kidogo na ne bintu binge bono mangana shada aragazwa tokasinyuna inkyo kwera mwananchi because no kwalenga aliko batenga yaya president yeto kujikochora nere kujokora ki abananchi bakababa conclusion ama ene tina abwate machibu nje nare kubairandiri na nje ka feel rende haki no nje boki mabuli bo kongerete muno mwananchi na nje no mwananchi inde na nje mbon kongerete so above all nje na tenita sense mwe mwananchi for the past 3 years arona arochinga disappointments na era so mwananchi na enda mwananchi orodinga kenenge ya kwa kandri kiri tofauti mono otherwise abantu bachande kiri mono so inchenga nga tendency mwe mwananchi ngarwa sense morende tunga ngantebe nga UDA is the ruling party gose kyango nchenga tebe ongo tenane county chibeza chiri chiko che county tumanye ko chibagasa mangana magendro ndendra magendrali acha so mwananchi kulengana ne promise twarwete so nkangiana inche ko terno mwananchi ko batena kiyaya serikali ya koreki ya failure ngabate ko chimutua na botura aje kwa kesabwe ngao na botuta tuta kesabwe twagete kurumaiga wono ekere ya chaguika nonye mo governor Paul Simbarati daringe ko support serikali mboniga angere konye everli obarumento kwandina ki wono oro ringo obo kurumina kiango bono ngobwati kwari woro tiga tigage mere ase serikali ere nero mutangani ore gotebunga serikali yabere bubi wano agacha gaturangiringa tukobe nkobe ngenda se William Ruto, and it was the first time naira ale ko enda State House after a very long time ago pose president agatebunga agate president imbota ba MCA bagoja gonkoba gojabu to pledge kurende loyalty yetu goja sore buna bagusi. And mind you that time onye konya matianyo wisaransire barayi bagusi obate ibirikirenga kiae ne birenge libiria bwate byogote no president na hera tukamaterende ko ro mugusi mintu ndoko bwate si simbarati tukamate yaya una inche personally igona amatetinga ground kia nenge ko nganjira because abantu bankaneti I don't associate myself with UDA nonye ni president because toro chintu abe twarengo murengo yomo abantu banekene nababulinga ningende State House ya liga banabuna ntebiri abantu bagankani bali banchorete okwenda State House you betrayed us uno mwananchi so ngakani governor tindiko genda asengi nchaba na inchi bakoriki banganiri ono gotagenda kwa State House na kuo kuono mugaba na gotalira na koreta siasa tayo.
Thank you so much.
Ogo support Matiang'i number 2 na kuo kugaba na gotaringa ono ngurwani yare esegi mu MCO de wensi otachite State House na ndo go support Matiang'i ono igata kiti to support Ruto bali tuangire bono declare nga nese yako turwani bona propaganda ende onzi arachi wodi atebenga mu MCA odire chibesa mu MCA na mwete mabagema chigasi tarabalika any propaganda lyago so long as yako sadiri rieta ehine plan yo mugabana to policy mbarati no nyabona bona agendrete development tour na roche na racha kalero ebintu byo kabwate onye gwategera Matiang'i akorwani.
Thank you so much mheshimiwa kwa tumanyire kiagerete mukacha ko etana no governor na boy kiagerete ya disassociate ne kiama kia ude in as much as ne kia sponsor to cha sekiro ko kran steboniga mheshimiwa bana na bora atware experience kere eto bauti akasenge ncho ayankare wacha gete konyo no mheshimiwa Matiang'i atare soki korigi koboria ekero gekeiga na nden twaro che wangere gutwaro gwa mate bwange kigima ne ere na ndemono igo kero to kwana no mheshimiwa Matiang'i kiama ya Jubilee rangiri kire koro mheshimiwa ore independent nka ye aye imbura yage chagete gutwira
nje I have not disagreed na governor. You know Clinton chitingaje timonto kungaina bantu. I'm a very straightforward person. Lakini nyoro monto taita kwa koni abantu through lies and kubate ibintu bitaiyo I will not agree with you. Tinche the State House for one reason. Nja had been supporting serikali ya William mpaka kere mwana itu Fred atetenga nkuboli yale again tukiagera naenda State House 2 weeks before delegation ya governor abagusi over 6,000 na balenge State House. The president promised so many things aga promise ebinte binge ekere Fred adekeleanga nkuboli yale nalikwara simba chaka kwerega na uchi State House telinga lenge kwenda abaguzi ba ruro 2 weeks babere promised daraja ya gitari ya rosu yani pale ya rosu stadium ya rosu cancer center genderere and then 2 weeks later you want to carry a delegation of MCAs kwenda kwa the president in biamono as a promise chirikuwa ruete you know it doesn't make sense. That is why another thing anje I will not join that delegation but the ango tebinga a delegation area State House. The main intention was to portray Fred Matiang'i atabwati home support. Ngo chande na aba MCA bonse na abajumbe. Ngo abwate meeting ya abajumbe bono ngo koreta nda aba MCA. Those 2 weeks earlier ekara abajumbe barangere tubuna aba na opinion shapers bagusi it is Paul Simbarati ukanete aba MCA ngamogenda. And then 2 weeks later the same Paul Simbarati na robatenga one of the State House to do what? You know, anyone who has logic, anyone who thinks will have seen through the lie that was being perpetuated. That nainche ngo chande nanje nimbwate team yani. That is why I didn't go to State House. But my again the disagreement na governor. Me, I have no disagreement with the governor. What I'm doing is my official constitutional work egasi yo MCA is to oversight, represent and legislate. Ebintu ebyandu chaba MCA bande ngana buchi driver chi umugabana ngana ande bande bakabakari kumuyurire bigitabuoye, you know, you lower the dignity yekero kyo MCA.
Ngocha tore to kwandra sengencho kero kwandra oko boko oyomino obochore bokembo ene kiwane mona se county ya Nyamira ase ensemeria ya serikali lost big time etochito kwandre miro biri kimwa bigete korendo tararwa soro mweshimiwa ntobate clip kyago gaiga kogo kwana ase assembly egari yago kwa yeripaire by the way asengencho chigari chaba MCA nchana ko bachiko ko ya assembly gatora tegera enkwana yago tokoera na otomanyenga what really happened.
Yeah, man.
I want to be very brief. In the past 1 or 2 weeks, we've been calling out the corruption in Kisii County Assembly and in Kisii County at large. What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But I want to say that that's an act of cowardice. I have said before that I'm one person who doesn't fear anything, and I want to speak directly to the governor of Kisii County. Stop sending those people. Stop sending those boys. You've said you want my head. Just tell me where you want that head. I'll bring it. But as for the fact that I will be calling out corruption, I will continue calling out corruption. You came into power promising heaven. You came into power saying that you are fighting corruption. But you are the architect and the sole proprietor of corruption in Kisii County. We will continue calling out that. To the people who did this, I know and I've been informed, reliably informed, that it is a nominated MCA who was coordinating these boys. This is cowardice. I have been in this game. And I want to ask the security agencies to act. If they don't act, we will act. That is all I can say.
Mheshimiwa, tuanga accounts, what happened nande imambiga kero mo igetasi assembly no chitebu yande gari yago basino yaraire, what happened?
Clinton,
yeah.
I told you earlier we had written to the EACC, Mangane Chipara.
Yeah.
So we were on recess. When we returned on that Tuesday, Mchenzo at assembly and all the other MCAs to a assembly to agenda nekikao. But previously, the last night I had been informed there are people who have been organized to attack you. Assembly in a good way. But while we were in the assembly, abamura around 40. Well known, abamuranga bari bamanyirenga abana abamura bo murai monene bwe county. They came bakahita ali assembly ngoraiga aba sigari bakabayigora bagaga no mwana waswa bakatirimboka kabisa bakaenda sigari kiriche specifics bangori gali ya Walter Baro kyogoro gali ya Thomas Obaro boitangare gali Anthony Kerago Gesusu boss Mairo Masimba umwambo bochiburabu. They were looking for specific MCS balitole voko balitu egeteri rubere EACC bako bocho chigari amagoro une yane banye tanduta na babwata asira yane ba tanduta magoro completely. But litu twasoka ku assembly metu we were told nga chikali chabera attack to kasoka ku assembly to karanga nekende they have attacked baka attack chikali bakasoka. We gave our pressure abasigari baka chagali baka document the crime scene. Shock on you, the person who called muntu wa ICT tabasa kwa ne because assembly ne bwa the CCTV, the person who called muntu wa ICT tabasa kwa ne footage is the governor himself.
Naki no what evidence mheshimiwa ngaki
given time I will provide that evidence, but it is the governor up to today. The DCI wrote to the county secretary to provide the CCTV. It has never been given. I have no time to call. I have left that vehicle at the assembly. I will leave it there. Baka Paul Simbarati is so Kabwateke Sokero and Arosegari because Nara Murabai. Manyesari. And Clinton, Jomata was a student leader at the University of Nairobi. Even the Beyonce PC in Bagokora, now according to 2014, current student leader. So there is nothing new. There is nothing new is introducing. When you know Kokosu, na Gosiru. So even the Beyonce pinga nga muatere gari ende ward ya Murame. Those are things abantu abaliti bagokora. When you know the position you hold and the power it holds, you must carry yourself with the same dignity of your office. But when you lower yourself, ngana ba emisyo watera chigari amagoro. Ngana ba emisyo kwanda chigodi cyabo kora maguna achide kora makerage. Inche godi ano ndamire marasaba, but I'm not about that because nimanye thing at the end of the day. Abantu mbabanya ngo ngaineli ngo kwanekene. So that is why I've never bothered. But mangana alia insecurity. Ikeri okokosweka rutomaiti gento okora. But when you know what you are doing, turiko ondokanga otumerure bibago, usongo tumerure na abana bagotuma Clinton. Na abana bachandikite. I'm requesting him liba gako batomo ba 5,000 or ba 3,000 or ba 2,000 tigaba ega asire permanent and pensionable na dina baro bagotora masikani
kaza bosko jaso mwishimando na rato manye briefly aseng encho entro chikorana na asore in terms of pursuing justice ayenga igo ikiri se gari no yetike to gatigera nya mangana ya gatigera.
No, we wrote to the inspector of police, the minister of interior, the PS interior. We have written the Senate speaker because Senate nere supervise mangana devolution. We have written to those people. In as much as we know that the government might not act because now is propagating mangana ya kasongo, we believe that when senators resume in February, they can be able to discuss that because ekeromo MCA for instance na chiri na pakiri ase assembly rende na basigari nga inde safe
tikatocha soro mwishimwa experience gari ya kwanza ene kunire
Clinton
weta gari ya ikeli
tagete komenta mangano musike wetangara kwanire omanyeteri tukelio tuacheta assembly nali tuarenge from a short recess nali tuirandire chitalikibire injiniso weta assembly mambi ni gari ngao
ngwa maeta ike andra
na manyite kongo so hanga nyore bijana bibwate chi mete ya makombe iska ngaiburia aba ngikose ba okora na ne bijana nimbi manyite onga teberende na bora nyore ibintu byabo bari kerengo ikaime assembly menga tebu no muhimsi yo munga ebibago byabangirwalia bibarwani ndo abwate issues kidogo tu atakete kuburi assembly galia amangana ito assembly mali na ndio tu abwate main issue yechi para cha fuel levy tu atebete tutakete komanya na ki ingike kogera abantu bali tutachite state house ngwamboli ngane yu ingike kogera enambeli abantu batachite state house more especially elected leaders watairi para ya fuel levy ko tuateti tuensia sa assembly unachibesa cha rota national government 61 million enganeye nero ya trigete issue yonsi kocha koletwali asenge nje tuatagete kubuli kimaene inche buno muhimsi yogishutingeri parelia obari tairi nabandi bali babete target mbali twale ko kwishuna ki ingikyagerete tutaye twipare abantu bande bakayegwa. But you see abantu bali bataye twipare n'abantu bali batachite state house abantu around 1920 kuruchi ward cheto cha Kisii county okubuoba boli ng'abantu batagete ko boli kimaene na bwagerete abantu babagatumwa nigwetenga kiyu na bolti abantu shikali bagabanga obaje nemiyu omuntu agwake tire onyitandura ngagwe kamusi ko mugabana gaki ko buli omaene boito ngaitwa tutazi ko mugabana ko buli para nkintanyo ora bune njomuntu gesu nabana gesungwa kana bale bango so one reason as why ese giri aso etali na sengi njiyo ko buli omaene bogotanyora chipara cha fuel levy ejito kwenda konyora 20 in 45 wards kile ward ne wenda konyora newe pare nuzu netaba yonse ngonyora twalenge
totoras ko bosito so ase by elections prerogative ne yango yoko allocate chibesi gase nje ne bane bunge yumweshimiwa Thomas ne rebwate chi million chinyinge ward ya ete kwati ngo bwate prerogative kero chibesi chika achire ku allocate so that 45 wards chance chinyore so that na yoko manyanga kero ward ya neta iri imingi kiabe tairi etai
yusi chibesi chinchi abwate minano kurmaega cha fuel levy between national government and county government na nyekere tu achiete tia se supplementary tu achiete ti chonsi limo chiri chachete ono okwa itemize okwarenge bono ne executive yare ko itemize ase kubwatana na ba MCA na ki kondwete gesu ninje manyite pare sale gite gesu ali wende ko koro maintenance bono akarangari bake aba MCA bali bamwirite State House bali bachete State House akabarangira kwa bona inu asenge njuma ngirite State House karanga chipara chino bali bandite bakoreki batiri chikoli alenge na ki ko tuwahiti chonsi chiwodi chonsi 45 nja wende ko konyora at least ebesa nke kulingana no mubako we chibesa chiri so chibesa chino nyetu chietiti ntu chieti ko itemizinga mpara ki korosio lakini twatayete chibesa chonsi chimente ni chipara cha Kisii County as a ward 45
kire ward yenyore umushimano bwatengana toraska bosi
usually ekero togwetie budget ngonyoro kire item para gete konyoro irororo but no mwishimo karaga tebire chibesa because they had an issue chibesa chijajete chonsi lump sum fuel levy 61 million now MCS we were asked later ngatoto kero mo MCA atome para ego chikobo maintain na fuel levy because fuel levy kero mo Kenya ngwa kanari fuel levy na chibesa previously chiange held na bajumbe under care but counties went to court baka sue the national government bakanyaranga there is a share of the fuel levy egocha into counties ekare twatuma chipara cheito bali tutachete State House Jones P panto 18 onete yonyore tona neya bako mosani olenge former ogaban omoishimiwa Steve Arika otakwatimanga nanonde taidi para wone una tokwana Steve Arika asiekire biashara biae etauni ali ngago support Matiang'i
asenge njogo support Matiang'i
kwari you can realize how petty a governor we have yani umuntu maete nganera bwika utakire gukwana and anything akwanle ngetakire kwa question and unfortunately he is being used as a mouthpiece enga kingo ikirite takoboli simba kosenera tu akirite kura kusoma muntu mungao because it has reached a time wao takire tebanie kene bunaba kusi bunegesaku tuchakwe bori maswali inkisimba etarget ya ene gusi ekero korigeli the kind of life simba abekira abafanyikazi be county okane slaves simba atagete gutoirani obogima bori umusonga abegete mu Africa simba na atagete gutoirani
tiatoske bosio omwancho morigere kera togandete gochia koria gokorera na mange rocha bashimiwa bagukwana no boro sana tiatoske bosio toso asensemo ye asogokorera hensemo ye wevega yo mwishimiwa Fred Matiang'i oyoro Magusii na ero esokire korie kero geke kyobora ibwense ntubato mwishimiwa David Maraga korenda sensemo ya Nyamira ntwarora for the first time serikali ya negative by election chobu MCA with a lot of budget and a lot of energy korenda at the end of it mbanyoreti koikiraria mero biruno yaganira mwishimiwa Anton tugochaka naye. Tell us what transpired in Semeria each ward chirichi by election and how is Matiang'i coming up as a siasa charongoro Gusii.
Bemo no oyemento Clinton. O maene wa mangana mbolinga kuru Matiang'i ateba ngobolia re wo president. Actually abantu bamuganira tangani konyatara kwana. Ekera kwana tono munu oyenga bono bwanchire oitabire Jenzi zimbata yabanga Matiang'i tutagete abantu nento tukatega aki Matiang'i no Magusii tigache tumubwatisi kurwa kwana kurwa so munu wenga natakete kubura president Gusii yoka tindagete kukwana ndebesa kubinde because nara tare na igure buna kukwana lakini Gusii yeito asitukurwa embewe ko ya change completely kiromo ntakabeke birengere byae buchase Fred Okengo Matiang'i na monto ndebwensi buna babu maraga bukwa kwane kere bagocha mbali korokana bona bantu n'abantu bari lakini kare bago tene wo president batagete imbeho iri abo tera bwata bo yabantu injira ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i yabwatire and that's why kwa ranga nonye president yito William Samuel Ruto akayego sana ki na kibono yaba you remember kare Matiang'i arwete mumbu agocha kuboria abantu nga mwanchire enjira abantu bayichorete busungaria nande tali besa cyatumegete abantu barwite bakatika ko kore bintu byabo bakatika kwenda mugondo bagacha ko welcome Fred Matiang'i as stadium ya Kisii nonye governor policy mbara tata kete koroka lakini asengincho masses y'abantu yasogete akarega na incho ndabasa ko wesari nonye rieta agasoka koteba bono tigambwate si Fred Okengo Matiang'i embe rina bwibwatete gwikara rero njase ngogamba gesusu ase ngotara togokwana gento king'ao tatiga Fred Okengo Matiang'i so embe njagosete eserikali and that's why chiba election ichigwa boririga yekerenyo nyamayamo na Nyansiongo ya bwatete isi and that time konya Fred Tras wana onye kiama kia Jubilee because onye ndria so igali konanga onye Jubilee nja bote candidates as chiba election ichi lakini asenge nchutua manyitinga Fred Okengo na wate uhusiano na UPA abantu bali ba UPA tukateba tigaba bwate sigu erinde techi kubera oyo minto Fred Okengo Matiang'i boso kwa senge serikali ya university chibeski nyingi mono bona Nyansiongo abantu ba serikali babosoro babo Jafet Nyakundi bale kuraro obutukona mugaso and amtole babwate chibese chinyinge obutuko bamuna bagore million mambire bagore million mambire no bagore million lakini oise kutaka kumanya masikani Fred Okengo Matiang'i aetu agacharimo agakwana no muno tali besa arwite agatebya abantu baitu timo basa ko ngobo so muri chibesa chiri nande mu akichikurase asa abantu ba serikali ya UDA amona broad based ya mwabo ODM abantu bakamuigwera no nje nabona abwato bona ki chibesa igikochwe muruga abantu mbaje babwate lakini abantu bakarushi omugusi tali Fred Okengo Matiang'i omugusi as a whole akarusha omugusi obosoko gwakira abantu bali Fred Okengo Matiang'i abwate tokoboko gaki ngakiro yikura so eye karete bichengia asomonto kuruku mugusi nga twaiguira matu twaiguira mongo ngagoika to chamo tobwate siyo bintu Fred Okengo Matiang'i
Teketoja so mheshimiwa Thomas Twiba experience kia ye hase chiba election chia negative hase ensemo eiga ya chiba election chike county ya Nyamira.
Chiba election chiriegento chia communicate that amugusi very decided there is no amount of money serikali ya UDA kutumia gusi to change perception mugusi make it to this government. Nara today mugabana gagotera ngekera Matiang'i arenga serikali arenga tenga serikali mbiyere ngekera machogu arenga serikali the government was so sweet but I want to remind him why the government was sweet when Matiang'i was in government. Ngekera Matiang'i arenga in government nalitwa nyoreta Central Bank in Kisii Town nalitwa nyoreta Office of Immigration in Kisii Town tokanyora State Lounge in Kisii Town. There were so many parastatal positions in Kisii and directors in government ya Uhuru. But today ekero kweboli ingia serikali ya UDA akotre ese mugusi you don't find reason to be in this government. So I want to respond to governor. Those are the reasons as to why umugusi arenge in government. Central Bank ye Matiang'i aretete because of the mismanagement yo governor to the economy of Kisii County, it is almost closing down. And I can tell you that in the next few months, that central bank will close down because there is no money circulation in Kisii. Today, simbo migire abantu bakoro ku local contractors to a level ngantobu ati any local contractor okora gasi bosungu. Ngabantu bakora chipara chito nabagere abaolia abaikoyo nabakamba. Ngamugusi tayo. And then how do you grow your people? Onye to kunyara ko ba no ni cho bagache usen soko bagache. For instance umuntu gukora chikamba echikwende buone chi soko ni kamba ni mukamba nga umukamba ko rubukamba ucho gukora ensoko yeri 200 ese wodi yakubasi butangale abantu ababagwa kirete kura. How do you intend to empower them? Ento kende kyo mweryo Clinton Kisii County ni yaito ekero mugaba nawe isolate abantu ababonsi piba muhakirite chikura ngabaro bagake kura umukamba umugere umoria no muikoyo wa benefit from Kisii County. Does he understand what devolution meant? Devolution here ajete the local man I feel part of government but ekero banyora abantu ngabarabo ona ata itaba t-shirt na 200 lakini umuntu wakore contract no moria umuikoyo umugere n'umukamba intutu wale to t-shirt na 200 no bosibwe ngano madara ukeye bwate gukisaga kukyo mugusi
twabere tugosanga amange bona kopa ye chinsanga nchire tukorega tucha soro mheshimiwa dakika ya masukuri parting shot yako bono uchibosio mheshimiwa Anton Nkundi omwe MC we wadi ya Gesusu inki abananchi babo bente gutarajia kero rongorwa gusiro kwirobira sabo chori ba 2027 gwatebire kyama kya UDA ngo akirete kurwa rake inazimacha sinaki bugere na kiase ensemo yebunge. What do we expect kurwa sore uchibosio?
Mbia muno yo Minto Clinton ritangani ntagete go gwakira mbia muno asengencho yo goto Chicago che studio toche kora ereria mangana amange alitogenda tuko kwene kiase gusiye ito ekora uno mugabana Paul Simbarat ritangani ntagete ko boli mugabana atige vipindi ebingi engake waono ye vipindi yakoreki yarire sarakasi nyinge obolimo na propaganda nyinge abantu bono bamanyire nga omuntu twachorete na bare omuntu w'ipindi na sarakasi n'ibindi tigatokore mirimo abana inchi yo batachorete bakorere gasi amangana propaganda tubeke kando sarakasi no bokora buchanjo bonge tutige because abana inchi already bamanyire ngekege na Kisi County namba ibire going forward na ntu no mugusinto pimete oborombo. Personally, ngo support inde Fred Okengo Matiang'i na ende na bongo bwate se mugusio de bwensi okotebanga tigaba gusito chamo erinde tubwate sina into yo mintu because bisa kubindo ise kuligire nchera bikunya kwibanga nabantu bamwabo into na kitokurwa tutigegesa kugitu tutigo muntu itu tuchikubwate se umuntu igesa kukyabona kerokyo kyamubwatiramo tutigo muntu itu na into tubwate na herbo rokiri interest yo kugamba ase ense itu ya Kenya igo tigambo ati ba minto na ndente bi onde bwensi ontegerete ase Ensoko TV na ki Fred Okengo Matiang'i no mwana witu na ende ago kwano munu witu tali arwete andonzi gose Somalia arwete gose Buganda oyo no mugusi into bagusi na into tigatwebe kamo tu embrace yo minto yo so kire tomubwati sikyanda ge komi tigabona mangana ya Paul Simbarat yakonya goncho kana goteya abantu ngabona tutamu eri no mwanencho nyemanyiti enkireria abantu bakorete nyanzi ngo bakali 50 million ya tutamu bagahakera abantu bagahake kurase bamanyite. This is the same way abananchi more especially abagusi bamanyite naki 2027 bezende yonse gocha nyo kurase serikali igekuriegwa na ndetu akere Fred Okengo Matiang'i kura na ndetu tumanyite nga Fred Okengo Matiang'i na abwate backup yo mugusi 100%. Na abananchi ba minto mo especially bali banchorete ku Gesusu ndagete ko batebinga nimbegete chibese budget ne chibese mbegete budget this financial year no nyentro achaga gukora kende gionse county bono na mangana ibipindi bigenderete nimanyete kuchi omwaka onde bora to kuchako mwaka mu 2026 ebinto birito cha tobegeta se budget ngokorubire ngosuguma tole amacho alitobegete geteri amona kegogi na nyamesocho tutalima barabara chirito begete chionsi gochironge masabo tutalima ne bintu binde byonsi tobegete any project tobegete nimanyite ntosugume tokore sabera Kisi County asengencho yangere gotantana elinde bintu birongeane na ndete gatobwate siyo minto Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Thank you so much mheshimiwa Tiato chase mheshimiwa Thomas Obare na yo tomanye going forward ndiriburi nere yase muno uyo chori independent keroto kwenda gochibosire ganga ki gochibosio
mbia mono Clinton first the wakero mugusi mbia mono ase mangana ari bakorete nyansi ongo ya rogetigegesa gukyo mugusi no muntu etenerete kiakili tako baswili na besa chiko State House egendo kende nsaba abantu bonse bagusi that going forward ekero muraya gocha gote yegento na ekwarele chinkaki kwara interrogating anki ko murayo yantebi konera abantu bane babo basubitangale jeta etemba kere mbia mono na jeta asibale nkabahereza bakangakire kura ekene keri na batebeti andi na berengo kutsima utenena sekene there is no day ndanga ino muitangale anything itakile kwenda boitangale mbaka kegenda boitangale na bateti ngaje ndi ocha koleranga baba no migire ngaba no racha koleranga mu MC mu migire because I know my work. They elected a competent person umayethengi yakora and he knows which route to take. Ega sionzi pia takira korbo itangale mpaka ekoro biama.
Thank you so much Mheshimiwa Thomas Obare MMCA we ward ya Basibo Itangare na boigo MMCA we ward ya Gesusu Mheshimiwa Anton Nkundi asogura chinga gichaino gusanga na intwegaiga ase Ensoko TV mwanchu murigeria na ayeto gwakira mbiyamano asogura chinga gichago gwikira boni gando chechi abutokire chida kamera ngene na ibiregoro ye chinsa inye chitigarite 10 na isano na isoto chokerage chinsa isano na boigo mbakire mbiyamano Brian Achaka Joshua Nyauma Felistas Kabendi na John Kebatikuru studio akabere bainekire bunango ikirani turaiga gwetera samarugi amo nechibicha tumirane na ande gitukoria ankyo nyasaye ka wancha sembeo nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi.